gem, India's hidden gem, and a rising star in global tourism. Andhra Pradesh is the gateway to South India with a 1,000 kilometer long coastline, stunning beaches, lush hills, and ancient temples. The state offers a perfect blend of heritage, adventure, and coastal experiences, making it a must-visit destination for European and global travelers. We are home to the famous Tirupati Balaji Temple, one of the world's most visited religious sites, as well as Buddhist heritage sites like Amravati and Nagarjuna. Our government in Andhra Pradesh is a little over 6 months old. Our Chief Minister, Mr. Nara Chandrababu Naidu, and our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Kodidara Pawan Kalyan, prioritize development of Andhra Pradesh into a premier global tourism destination.